From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning to everybody out there. I'm student meteorologist Hunter Williams here with your Campus Weather Service forecast for this Wednesday morning. Now, after the messy situation that we saw through the day yesterday with the snow and the cold, I'm sure a lot of people hoping for some nicer weather right about now and through the day today and the better part of the day tomorrow. We will get that with warmer temperatures and some much better skies, but rain arriving late tomorrow, and we could even have some more winter weather on the way by the time we get into Friday evening and early on Saturday. And of course, we'll have all the details on that coming up in just a bit. But right now, out your weather window, seeing a pretty beautiful morning here out over the Arboretum. A little bit of snow left on the ground from that system that we saw move through yesterday, and that's an unfortunate sight as we get into April here. But nonetheless, temperatures in the low 30s right now here in State College and across the rest of Centre County. We're seeing the mid and upper 20s here. Now, keep in mind that we did see that there could be some residual moisture left on the roadways or the sidewalks from the system that we saw go through yesterday. And with these cold temperatures, it's not even out of the question that we see some patches of ice on the roadways or the sidewalks. Not expecting a huge ice threat, of course, through the morning today, but something to be aware of as you head out this morning. Now, across the rest of the state, a little bit warmer across the southeastern portions of the state into the low and mid 30s, 35 in Philadelphia, but a little bit colder as we move to the north and to the west, 19 in Bradford and 25 in Franklin this morning. So still continuing to be below average as we move through the morning hours of today, but all that rain and the snow that we saw yesterday is out of here at this point. Some heavier pockets of clouds over northeastern Pennsylvania, Allentown, Scranton, seeing some heavier clouds this morning, but across the southern tier of the state, seeing clear skies through the morning hours of today, and that includes here in State College where we're seeing mostly clear conditions as we start our day today, but that will change. Already watching our next weather maker out to our west. Now this will move easterly as we push throughout the day today and through the better part of the day tomorrow, and rain arriving here in Pennsylvania by the time we get into tomorrow evening and continuing through the beginning part of the weekend. And we'll go ahead and time all of that out for you here on future weather. Once again, through the day today, a beautiful day, partly sunny skies. We'll get into the mid 40s for most people here in Pennsylvania, and that continues to be the case overnight and through the better part of the day tomorrow, but rain arriving by the time we get late tomorrow evening. This valid Friday morning at 1 a.m. The rain starting to edge into central Pennsylvania here, and this will continue to move through as we progress throughout the evening and through the day on Friday. And I'll notice some heavier pockets of rain off to our south and east here as we get into Friday afternoon. Not even out of the question that we see some pockets of thunder and heavier downpours with this one as those temperatures get up into the 60s for a change here in Pennsylvania. But as we continue to move throughout the day, Friday and getting into Friday evening and early Saturday morning, look at that. Not what you want to see as we get into April. Snow and sleet potentially in the forecast as we get into this weekend. Once again, the winter weather not completely out of our hair just yet, and continuing to move through Saturday morning. Winter weather pushing through Pennsylvania. So nonetheless, another wintry event possible as we get into this weekend. But your forecast for today, partly sunny skies, high of around 46 into the mid 40s for today. A pretty good day, and we'll take that after what we saw yesterday. And we continue to see the partly cloudy skies overnight tonight. We'll see a low of around 31 degrees. But once again, our big weather maker arriving tomorrow night. We'll see showers late tomorrow, continuing overnight and into Friday. Rain likely, some heavier rain likely Friday afternoon, and we could even change back over to some wintry precipitation by the time we get late Friday and into early Saturday. But after that, partly sunny skies and a high of around 49 for Sunday. That's not bad as we get into the latter part of the weekend. And as we start next week, we see those temperatures get into the mid and upper 50s, which is more seasonable for this time of year. And of course, we'll take that after the chilly weather that we've been seeing the past couple of days here. Once again, I'm student meteorologist Hunter Williams here on behalf of the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Have a great day.